Welcome to today's video, where we dive into the fascinating world of manifestation and the law of assumption. If you're a believer in the power of positive thinking and creating your own reality, then this is the video for you. In this video, we'll explore real-life success stories of a lady who has harnessed the power of the law of assumption to bring their deepest desires to life. Whether it's attracting their ideal partner or manifesting their dream job, these stories are a testament to the power of the law of assumption. So, if you're ready to learn how you too can use this universal law to create the life you've always wanted, sit back and enjoy the ride. Remember, the law of assumption is always working, and what you believe, you will receive. A Reddit user successfully manifested her desired partner in just 22 days through a combination of daily affirmations and a strict mental diet. Her detailed account of her journey is an inspiration for others looking to manifest their desires. By following her steps, you may be able to achieve similar results. She was in shock. She went from sleepless, heartbroken nights to a loving relationship with her soulmate, just as she wanted. She believed that the law of assumption was real 100%. Her backstory started with a friendship with her soulmate. They were just acquaintances at first, but after wishing each other a happy new year in 2020, they started to get closer. She initially saw him only as a friend, and he saw her in the same way. But she started to assume that he was crushing on her and wanted to ask her out. And sure enough, he started being flirty with her. They eventually started dating, and the relationship was perfect. However, her insecurities kicked in, and she started to doubt their relationship, imagining that he was losing interest in her. Eventually, they broke up 2 weeks before their first anniversary. Desperate to get him back, she came across the law of attraction 10 days after the breakup, but found that she was unable to manifest from a state of desperation and lack. She wasted a month trying, but it wasn't until she read The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy that something finally clicked for her. She discovered Neville Goddard and felt like she had found the answer. She read and watched a lot of material on Neville Goddard and read countless success stories, including that of Joseph Murphy. She took the necessary steps to manifest her desired outcome. She started by discarding her old story and getting out of the victim state. She realized that she had the power to manifest her desires through her thoughts, and she let go of the negative narrative that was holding her back. She focused on creating a new story, where she was in a loving relationship with her soulmate. To support this new story, she practiced a mental diet and controlled her thoughts. She knew that it was okay to have negative thoughts and doubts, but she didn't allow them to dictate her reality. Instead, she focused on affirmations and visualizations to impress her subconscious mind. She repeated affirmations throughout the day, visualized herself and her soulmate in a loving relationship, and practiced deep breathing and visualization exercises. Her affirmations included statements such as, "My soulmate thinks about me all the time. My soulmate misses me all the time. And my soulmate loves me deeply." She was consistent and persistent in her efforts, knowing that the techniques themselves wouldn't manifest her desire. But by repeating the techniques and focusing on her affirmations and visualizations, she was able to impress her subconscious mind and bring her desired reality into existence. She had been using affirmations as a tool to manifest her desires. She had 2 main affirmations which they repeated to themselves throughout the day, or whenever her specific person crossed her mind. The first affirmation was focused on him, confirming that he couldn't get her out of their mind and that she missed them a lot since the breakup. This affirmation was a surprising but satisfying confirmation for her. The second set of affirmations were more general, focusing on the power of their thoughts and the idea that they were the creator of their own reality. They stressed the importance of affirmations being personal to the individual and not just copied from the internet, as they should resonate with the person using them. She kept repeating these affirmations with belief and feeling, knowing that the mind learns through repetition. Despite not hearing from him for some time, she kept persevering with her affirmations and visualizations. She was certain that he loved her deeply and was constantly thinking about him missing him. Finally, after some time, he reached out to her and they had a 4-hour conversation filled with flirting and loving gestures. He even brought up past memories and expressed a desire to talk to her every day. A week later, both of them finally met in person, and her SB confessed his feelings and stated their desire to start over again in a relationship with her. She was overjoyed at the manifestation of their desires through their affirmations and visualization practices. They now had a newfound understanding of the power of their thoughts and the impact they can have on their reality. It took 22 days for her to manifest her partner. After her breakup, she spent the whole month practicing the law of assumption, but struggled to let go of her old thought patterns and victim mentality. However, by the start of next month, she discovered a new perspective and decided to give it her all. She started affirming and focused on her desired outcome, despite any conflicting thoughts or realities she encountered. Her power of imagination and subconscious mind ultimately led her partner back to her, even after they had been apart for 3 months. She emphasizes the importance of focusing on one's desired outcome and persisting, despite any obstacles or negative thoughts. She acknowledges that the timeline may vary for each individual, but the process is always in motion. By letting go of the past and embodying a positive mindset, anything is possible. This story highlights the power of positive manifestation and the importance of perseverance and belief in the process. The protagonist's journey serves as a testament to the transformative power of the mind and the ability to manifest even the seemingly impossible. Her experience is a reminder that anything is possible as long as we trust in our abilities, stay true to our desires, and persist in the face of obstacles. Let her story inspire you to take control of your thoughts, embrace the power of manifestation, and create the reality you desire. The road may not be easy, but with unwavering faith, anything is achievable. The possibilities are endless, and the future is yours to shape. And that's the story of how she manifested her partner in just 22 days. This just goes to show that anything is possible with a strong and persistent mindset. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring and uplifting content like this. Thank you for tuning in.